Coastline ROP has a brand new construction technology program. This program is being offered at Estancia High School in a completely new facility where students have the opportunity to acquire the advanced skills to prepare for a career in the construction industry. State-of-the-art equipment, funded in part by a grant from the California Community Colleges Chancellor's Office, allows for a hands-on instruction in both residential and commercial specializations. Dynamic partnerships with business and industry play an integral role in providing the high-quality program. A partnership with the Carpenters Training Center gives students the opportunity to become a registered apprentice while still in high school.
My name is Michael Rafferty, and I teach construction technology at Estancia High School. I have a couple different classes that are offered there that I teach. One of them is my pre-apprenticeship class. In a typical day, students will come in and they take a seat at the benches and I call roll and we move forward. Right from there we get into the lesson. Usually it'll start with a demonstration of some kind and I pull out all the tools that we're going to need for the job, and right there in real time I show students the next order of business that we're going to accomplish for the day so that they have the chance to see it, they have a chance to feel it, interact with me, interact with the building material, and they can ask any questions about any point of the process and how it's done and see it a second, third, or fifth time if that's what it takes. After that, I definitely am a believer in learning by doing. I notice that when I have students come into my classroom, they're not looking to just survive, they're looking to learn and add to a collection of skills that they can use once they leave there. The thing that would make me happiest is to see my students leave my classroom with an arsenal of skill and knowledge that they can use to solve problems out in the world once they leave my classroom. If they can do that, then I'm satisfied. I'm way happy. What we concentrate on while we're learning is having fun. The truth is that I've found, anyway, for myself, and very much the same with all my students up to this point so far, is that when you're having fun, you're engaged. And when I see students engaged, it becomes motivating for me. And when people are motivated, it becomes contagious. And so we've made a habit in room 344 at Estancia High School of having fun, being safe, and doing it all at the same time. Safety is number one. What students learn when they come through the classroom, though, is that safety and cleanliness go hand in hand. I want to invite anybody that's even remotely curious about building things. Not every student knows that they even like construction until they have some kind of exposure to it. And I definitely have found that with a lot of the students that have come in, they signed up just because it was a course that they could take where they wouldn't have to read a book, or so they thought. But what's nice about it is that after having gotten some exposure, they'll say, well, I didn't expect to actually like this. This is kind of cool. And just by being curious, they gain an investment in what we're doing in the class, and students get a return that they didn't see coming. They get a curiosity that becomes satisfied, and then it grows even more from there. What's really a lot of fun is when you see students come in not really knowing what to expect, but they end up leaving there with a great command of skills that they can apply to an array of different things. When you have the muscle memory it takes to operate saws, you can then translate that muscle memory into working a paintbrush or playing an instrument. Once you get command of your body and you understand how to create results with the things in your environment, there's almost nothing you can't do. And so construction doesn't just have to do with construction. It has to do with a lot of things that parlay into what you do with your body and how you interact with the world around you. Construction almost always somewhere has something to offer just about everybody.